Today we're going to be showing you how to teach your budgie to fly. This guy, as you can see, he can fly pretty darn well. But this girl, on the other hand, cannot fly. They have their wings, both of their wings are clipped. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got her to fly a bit better, but today we're going to be teaching her to fly just like the other one over there. His name's Chandler. That is Chandler, and that is Monica. Monica and Chandler are lovebirds. As you can see, they've made their nest, and they fill it with feathers. It's pretty nice. They're out of the cage birds. So today we're going to be teaching Monica how to fly. Come on, Chandler, you demonstrate. First of all, I need to pass her lovebird buddy to my to my sister. Okay, so I'm going to hold her. I'm going to grab her right by the back, like that. You want to make sure their wings are accessible, and she's going to fly to her mate. Nice try. We try again from where she left. Multiple times you got to try this until they get better. Again. Close. We're going to go from standing up now. Standing up. And here you go. Go. And she made it. Now we're going to stand up and we're going to back up a little bit farther. She can't get to her mate yet. She's always rewarded with a trip to her mate. Now if your bird does not have a mate, I suggest that you use some spray millet. We've got some right here. This is spray millet. I suggest you use this if they don't have a mate, or if they do have a mate, leave this on the hand with the mate. And every once in a while, she can go over there, she can eat it. Now we're going to stand up again. 3, 2, 1, go. Close. We're going to go a little bit closer this time. About right here. And 3, 2, 1, go. That was the closest one so far. She's getting rewarded with a bit of millet. As you can see, millet is one of my budgie's favorite treats. Although she does love it. We have a little kitten, he's very curious.
Hey, who has sugar and spilled it everywhere?